we're stuck by the river on a Friday night. Burn some tires and build bonfires in the glow of our taillights. Circle up our Chevys and Fords and get to talking about the Lord. But I've been wondering what it would be like if God had a truck. Would it never need a tank of gas and drive 1,000,000 miles? All about it when it comes to feeding every hungry child. Bunch of blankets in the bed to warm the homeless and the tired. 4x4 that's strong enough to pull us from the muck and mire. He'd always be there to lift us up when times get tough and we get stuck. If God had a truck, well, I've blown some cash and burned some gas, chasing down selfish dreams. I've come to find I've wasted time on these man-made machines. My knees at night now hit the floor, and I get to pray to the Lord above and wonder what it would be like if God had a truck. Would it never need a tank of gas to drive 1,000,000 miles? All about it when it comes to feeding every hungry child. Bunch of blankets in the bed to warm the homeless and the tired. 4x4 that's strong enough to pull us from the muck and mire. You'd always be there to lift us up when times get tough and we get stuck. If God had a truck, man, I bet the angels want to take it for a drive. But God has bigger plans of healing hearts and saving lives. Would it never need a tank of gas and drive 1,000,000 miles? All about it when it comes to feeding every hungry child. Bunch of blankets in the bed to warm the homeless and the tired. 4x4 that's strong enough to pull us from the muck and mire. You'd always be there to lift us up when times get tough and we get stuck. If God had a truck, if God had a truck, if God had a truck,